Total Station Surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are highly skilled professionals who use advanced surveying equipment to accurately measure and map land and construction sites. These surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, engineering, and urban planning. By utilizing total station technology, they are able to collect precise data on distances, angles, and elevations, which is essential for creating detailed maps and plans. The use of total station surveyors in Noida Sector 62 ensures that projects are executed efficiently and with utmost accuracy, leading to successful outcomes. One of the key advantages of total station surveyors is their ability to provide accurate measurements in a timely manner. By using state-of-the-art equipment, such as total stations, these surveyors can quickly gather data on various points of interest within a given area. This allows them to create detailed maps and plans that are essential for decision-making in construction and development projects. With their expertise and precision, total station surveyors in Noida Sector 62 ensure that all measurements are accurate and reliable, which is crucial for the success of any project. SCON design refers to the process of designing and implementing survey control networks, which are essential for establishing reference points and ensuring accurate measurements across a large area. With their knowledge and experience in SCON design, these surveyors can effectively plan and execute surveys that cover vast territories, such as construction sites or urban areas. By setting up a well-designed survey control network, total station surveyors can ensure that all measurements taken using total stations are consistent and reliable. By utilizing advanced surveying technology, these professionals can accurately determine the boundaries of a site, identify any existing structures or features, and assess the topography of the area. Total station surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are highly qualified experts who precisely measure and map land and development sites using cutting-edge surveying equipment. These surveyors are essential to many sectors of the economy, such as construction, engineering, and urban planning. They are able to gather precise information on distances, angles, and elevations using total station technology, which is necessary for producing accurate maps and blueprints. Total station surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are used to ensure that projects are carried out successfully and with the highest level of accuracy. The capacity of total station surveyors to deliver precise measurements quickly is one of their main advantages. These surveyors may quickly collect information on various points of interest within an area by employing cutting-edge equipment, such as total stations. As a result, they are able to provide thorough maps and blueprints, which are crucial for making decisions on building and development projects. Total station surveyors in Noida Sector 62 make sure that all measures are precise and dependable thanks to their knowledge and attention to detail, which is essential for any project's success. Designing and executing survey control networks, which are necessary for creating reference points and assuring accurate measurements over a wide area, is known as SCON design. These surveyors can efficiently plan and carry out surveys that cover